In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates, covering everything you need to know about creating, saving, and updating custom templates. So let's dive right in. When you're working with ClickUp, templates can be a huge time saver, especially if you find yourself frequently repeating the same types of tasks or projects. The first thing you'll want to do is select the appropriate space, folder, or list within your workspace where you'll be applying your template. This is your starting point, and getting it right ensures that your template will be structured exactly where you need it. Once you've chosen your space, look for the ellipsis sign, which you'll often find nestled in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This button, affectionately known as the three dots, is your gateway to a world of options within ClickUp. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several possibilities. What you're looking for is the Templates option, so select that. Another menu will pop out, giving you choices such as Browse Templates, Save as Template, and Update Existing Templates. Let's focus first on how to create or save a template. You'll want to choose Save as Template. This is a straightforward process. Once you click that option, you'll be guided to a new screen where you'll configure its name. Naming your template clearly and descriptively is important because it will help you and your team easily identify it for future use. While you're on this page, you'll also see options for sharing and importing. Sharing options are crucial if you intend to collaborate with others. It determines who else can access the template. The import options will allow you to decide what specific elements of your current setup you want to include in this template, like assignees or task details. Once you're satisfied with everything, find the Save Template button and click on it. Your new template is now safely stored and ready for use whenever you need it. Now, let's move to updating an existing template. This can be especially useful when you've refined a process and want to ensure your template reflects those improvements. Once more, you'll start by selecting Update Existing Templates from the Templates menu. From here, you'll be prompted to choose which particular template you'd like to overwrite. Be cautious with this step because overwriting cannot be undone. Select your template carefully, make sure everything is as it should be, and then proceed with the update. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your projects using ClickUp templates. They truly can enhance your productivity by keeping your tasks organized and easily accessible. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on making the most out of ClickUp.